In this video, we'll explore the Contacts API, which allows you to create, search, update, delete, and manage contacts programmatically within your DMLY workspace. Whether you're building CRM integrations, automating workflows, or syncing customer data with external systems, the Contacts API gives you full control over your contact database. Getting started. All Contacts API requests use the DMLY REST API base URL api.dmly.io/rest. Every request requires authentication using an API key. To generate your API key, navigate to Integrations, then REST API, and select Edit Setup. Once generated, include your API key in the X API key header for all API requests. Available contact endpoints. The Contacts API provides several endpoints for managing contact records. You can search contacts, create new contacts, retrieve a contact by ID, update existing contacts, delete contacts, add tags to contacts, and remove tags from contacts. These endpoints allow you to manage your customer data entirely through code. Search contacts. The Search Contacts endpoint allows you to retrieve contacts using flexible filters. It's a GET request sent to /v1/contacts. Authentication. All requests must include your API key in the request header using the key X API key. Without this, the request will be rejected. Query parameters. Overview. All query parameters are optional. This means you can call the endpoint with no filters and it will return contacts based on default behavior. Or you can combine parameters to narrow down results. Parameter. Limit. Use the limit parameter to control the maximum number of contacts returned in a single response. For example, passing limit equals 10 returns up to 10 results. Parameter. Tags. The tags parameter lets you filter contacts by associated tags. This is useful when contacts are grouped or labeled within your system. Parameter. Workspace ID and channel. Use workspace ID to scope results to a specific workspace. The channel parameter filters contacts by the communication channel they belong to. Parameter. Page. To paginate through results, use the page parameter. Combine it with limit to step through large data sets. For example, page 1 with a limit of 10 returns the first 10 contacts. Page 2 returns the next 10. Parameter. Search text. For free text search, use the search text parameter. This allows you to search across contact fields, ideal for finding contacts by name, email, or other identifiable text. Response. A successful request returns a 200 OK status, along with an array of contact objects matching your filters. If no contacts match, you'll receive an empty array. Creating new contacts. The Create New Contact endpoint allows you to add a new contact to DMLY. It's a post request sent to /v1/contacts. Authentication. Every request must include your API key in the header using the key X API key. You'll also need to set the content-type header to application/JSON since the request body is sent as JSON. Request body. The contact details are passed in the request body as a JSON object. At minimum, you'll typically provide the contact's name, their phone number in international format, and the workspace ID indicating which workspace the contact belongs to. Parameter. Name. The name field holds the full name of the contact. For example, John Doe. Parameter. Phone number. The phone number field accepts a phone number in international format, starting with a plus sign followed by the country code and number. For example, +15551234567. Parameter. Workspace ID. The workspace ID field specifies which workspace this contact should be created under. You'll need to pass the ID of the target workspace here. Response. A successful request returns a 200 OK status along with the newly created contact object, confirming the contact has been added to your workspace. The getContactById endpoint retrieves a single contact using their unique ID. It's a GET request to /v1/contacts/open brace contact ID close brace. Authentication. Include your API key in the request header using x-API-key. Path parameter. Contact ID. The parameter name is contact ID. It is required. It accepts the unique ID of the contact you want to retrieve. For example, /v1/contacts/12345. Response. A successful request returns a 200 OK status with the matching contact object. Deleting contacts. When a contact is no longer needed, you can remove it using the delete contact endpoint. After a successful deletion, the API returns a confirmation response indicating that the contact has been removed. The add tags to contact endpoint adds one or more tags to an existing contact. It's a post request to /v1/contacts/open brace contact ID close brace /tags/add. Authentication. Include your API key in the header using x-API key and set content-type to application/JSON. Request body. Tags. Pass an array of tag names in the request body. For example, VIP and purchased. Response returns the updated contact object with the newly assigned tags. The remove tags from contact endpoint removes one or more tags from an existing contact. It's a post request to /v1/contacts/open brace contact ID close brace /tags/remove. Authentication. Include your API key in the header using x-API key and set content-type to application/JSON. Request body. Tags. Pass an array of tag names you want to remove. For example, VIP. Response returns the updated contact object with the specified tags removed. Best practices. Always validate phone numbers in international format. Use pagination when fetching large contact lists. Avoid frequent bulk updates to prevent rate limiting. Store contact IDs after creation for efficient updates. And secure your API key. Never expose it in front-end code. The DMLY Contacts API provides a powerful way to manage customer information programmatically. By integrating these endpoints into your applications and workflows, you can automate contact management, improve data accuracy, and build seamless customer experiences across your business systems. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.